Robinhood, how to deposit money into bank. Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can deposit money into bank in Robinhood app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Robinhood app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on your profile icon. Then you have to tap on these three lines. After that, you have to tap on transfers. Now, before transferring your money, you have to first link your bank account. After linking your bank account, you have to tap on transfer money. Then choose the account from which you want to transfer and the account in which you want to transfer. Then enter the amount that you want to transfer and tap on review. Then just review your transaction and tap on transfer. So that's how you can deposit money into the bank in Robinhood app. That's all for this video.